Hey guys, we just got to 115 White Oak Way. Today is demolition day, so we're going to do some demo, tear some things up. We've already got one issue. Tell us what you found.
I called the utility service to come and turn the water on, and we have a broken pipe on our side of the meter. So luckily my plumber had just pulled up anyway to do some work on the inside of the house, so he's going to fix that first so we can get the water turned on.
And if you didn't have an issue on day one, you're not doing a good job.
Whatever it is.
Oh, the other side we need?
You told me that you've got a cap over there.
Yeah, we have to cap off the red bar.
Right now
I found it,
Same thing.
and look, I fixed
Same
it,
exact thing.
and I digged it back up. Yep, same thing. So,
You may be a plumber for this, though.
me? I'm already a plumber, man, but...
And we'll just, my painter will fix the drywall and paint
Okay,
that,
perfect.
and we'll hang something there. Or...
Okay.
Now,
Alright.
is this load bearing?
Maybe it is.
Microwave up there, right?
Right, yeah, so
Yeah,
we're gonna
so
throw
let's get rid of that.
Okay.
Yep.
We'll leave the power out there for the microwave. Hold on. Oh.
What is all that?
We just boxed into the vent.
Oh. Some drywall repair in here too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it was those little things we hang the soap and stuff, but I'm gonna leave those there. This looks new. You want it, Christy?
I'll pass.
Make sure first it's not tied down to something. You can even move it.
Safety first.
This is Fayetteville! 1, 2, watch. So we're here at the property of 115 White Oak Way. Christy's in there working. So what's happened, we come in most of the demolition, and so now we've started to put in the flooring and some cabinets and stuff, and we'll check in with her and everything that's going to happen.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So what's happening? What's going on?
So
the
we've got-
cabinets are in, the floors look great.
Yes, we've gotten a lot accomplished over the past week. So demo is complete. Everything in the house has been demoed. Actually, our new kitchen cabinets have been installed and they look fantastic. All the hardware's been put on and they are soft close as well. The granite install and the backsplash is set for today. So he should be here working on that in a couple hours. The floor was completed in a day and a half. So the crew came in, they knocked out the floor, laid almost 1,600 square foot of LVP in about a day and a half, so it looks really, really good. Also on the schedule for this week is our fantastic painter, Brady, is going to be coming in, and he's going to be repairing the drywall, painting, the ceilings, the walls, the trim, and everything, all the way down, doors and everything. So especially when drywall repair and painting happens, then this place is going to look completely different.
How about the windows?
Windows have been ordered. Windows are delivering about 6 weeks out now, so windows will be the last thing to be installed. So we've got probably another few weeks before those. So everything else in this house will be completed except for the windows.
So once painting and windows, backsplash happens, then I guess we're outside, right?
Well, there's a few other little things in here to do.
Okay.
We're going to replace all the light fixtures. We're going to replace all the vents that are on the walls and the ceiling. We're going to replace the front doors. So there's a few other things. There's about 2 weeks of work left inside, which just puts us at a 3-week turnaround.
Okay.
So as this inside stuff has been happening, our exterior work has been happening too. So the fireplace was cleaned and acid washed, so all the rock looks fantastic with that.
So what's happened out here?
So you can't see it, but the inside of this is a prefab chimney, and there is a wooden structure around it that keeps it up, and the entire thing was rotted out. So apparently there had been a leak for about 15 years, and it had completely rotted everything out. And once they took all of the siding off and got in there, they realized that the entire wall behind that fireplace that you just saw on the inside was completely rotted out. So it took them 2 days to replace all that. And I do have pictures that I can send you.
So this sounds like an expensive repair. Tell me
Well,
about
this
that.
was an additional, so this ended up being about $5,000.
So this is $5,000 extra what we didn't plan to spend. And this is one thing that always happens in renovations. If you're renovating to rent, you're renovating to flip, there's always something that happens. And you say how much is your margin?
At least 10%. You should already always factor in 10% for incidentals.
So we plan on spending 50-ish. So our 10% is $5,000. So hopefully this is our only
5
issue.
to 10.
Yeah, it's always 5 to 10 when it's with me. Okay, so right here in the front yard, there's a few things. There's no grass here.
There's no grass here. There's a lot of mud here.
How are we gonna fix
A lot
it?
of dirt. So we have a landscaping company coming in, and they're going to bring in some sod. They're also going to put landscaping about 24 inches out from the house all the way around. So it's going to look a lot different when it's finished. We're going to have some different types of shrubs and plants that are going to be here that it's going to give it a really nice curb appeal.
House is filthy.
Yes, it is. So we have a pressure washing company coming. So they're going to clean the siding and clean the shutters, and it'll look really good when they finish, and the concrete as well.
Tell me about the roof. It looks a little rough.
So surprisingly, the roof is in a really good condition, other than the area we talked about back there around the chimney, which we are going to have that repaired. But it just really truly needs to be soft washed. So the pressure washing company that's coming out is going to do that as well.
So soft wash is just the way they clean roofs.
It is. It's the way they clean the roofs without damaging the shingles.
Okay. Awesome, guys. As you can see, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but a lot has been done. I really appreciate my wife working hard on it. She's here 24/7, always doing something, getting something done. So she's a super trooper when it comes to hard work, and I'm definitely not envious of her job. It's my job to find them and negotiate the great deal. It's her job to stay in budget, I hope, and get it ready to sold. So we'll have maybe 1 or 2 more episodes before we get through the final reveal. But hope you enjoyed this one. Like it, share it. Let us know if you have any questions. We'd be happy to help. Remember, who you work with matters, and have a great day.